Hello friends, today I wanted to basically go through a particular commit which is done in Spring AI, and then basically go through the changes, and it is quite interesting to me, so I thought I'll share with you all. So first we look at the actual issue. So the actual issue is something like whenever Spring AI calls a LLM, it reports a network error, HTTP 1.1 header parser error. So the description of the bug is that this error is sporadic, right? And then so sporadic is something like it is not something which happens always. It happens sometimes. So that's the meaning of sporadic. And then and what they say is it basically the occurrence rate of this error increases whenever the network environment is very poor. So you can imagine, like, wherever let's say the signals are very low, the strength signals are very less, so in that it's easily reproducible. So yeah, this is basically the code. So wherein you just you are basically invoking the LLM here, and yeah, so they have captured the logs. So this is the latest log. So it's 7th of August, right? And what we can see is it's basically interacting with DeepSeek LLM, and during that point of time you can see that it is actually throwing this error, HTTP 1.1 header parser received no bytes, right? And it actually captures the entire stack trace. So we don't, for this video we don't need to basically look into it, but whereas what I want to see is how they have fixed it. So what they have done is, so within Spring AI you have a utility called retry utils. So within retry utils, so already there is some kind of error handling in place, and within that they have a retry template. So as of now what they are doing is there is something like max attempts of 10. So 10 attempts are tried to recover from this error. So as of today they are retrying on transient exception. So now what they have done is they have retrying with resource access exception as well. So you can see that within the retry template they have added the resource access exception also. So this is the retry template definition, and also there is another template, short retry template, wherein it basically has added the resource access exception as well. So in this, probably this is something like within the default retry template it's actually using exponential backoff policy, wherein you can see that it's almost like 60,000 milliseconds. So it's almost like 60 seconds into 3, it's like 180 seconds, and that is in the order of basically 3 minutes, right? So whereas here in the short retry template it's using a fixed backoff. I guess it's just going to back off up to like 100 milliseconds. So they have added, they have made changes in retry utils, and they have ensured that whenever you get this resource access exception, you are going to do a retry, right? So that's basically the fix for this issue, that they are going to retry during the network connectivity issue. Maybe if we need to go through the error stack trace a little bit. So so you can see that a resource access exception is received by the application, and as of now it was not handled. So this fix is going to handle this exception with the retry policy. That's all I wanted to share. Thank you for watching.